I put together some old footage I found. HMS Victory. Apparently, I started it in 2011, so it's a good while ago. It's finished now, thankfully. But I thought you might like to just look at the early days of building it. And if you watch it till the end, there's Scottish Maid on there. And if you've been watching the Mayflower build, you'll know I had a bit of trouble bending the planking, which is hardwood. But the Scottish Maid is done softwood planking and then veneered on top, and you can see what a difference it makes. Makes a much better job. Anyway, enjoy it till the end. Apologies for the quality of the video, but it was a long time ago. I don't know what camera it was, but it wasn't as modern as they are now.